This is the final video to fix the MP3tag cover art not displaying issue on Windows. And if you've been staring at blank album art, you're not alone. Many users face this problem because Windows or MP3tag sometimes fails to read embedded images correctly, and most solutions you'll find online are long, confusing, or require multiple steps that just waste your time. But today on Rexish, I'll show you a secret easy trick that instantly makes your cover art appear without hassle. And if you want a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below so we can guide you through it completely.